Hey guys, it's Marco from Nari Media, and today I'm going to show you how I'm creating $100,000 ads and commercials in VEO3 in minutes. Okay, so first off, you do need a Gemini paid account, but this is $30 a month, and if you're in advertising or doing any sort of creative, I highly recommend it. So it's just labs.google, and you press create with flow. Once you're on the back end, you go new project. Now for prompting with using JSON language, and JSON language is just instructions to a computer that it just understands better. So I'm going to show you guys the prompt here that I'm using. What I recommend is if you're making a lot of videos, create a project and put instructions in there for the style and breakdown of how you want these prompts to come out. So for example, when I go into my instructions here, I have Sora prompt engineering. And after the Sora prompt engineering, I also created another one for a VEO through expert, and then I gave it a few examples. I gave it 2 examples, and pretty much it's going to ask you for all the fields. So what I said in the prompt is if it's missing any of the details that it needs to create this prompt in a JSON style, ask me. See, then it's going to ask me, a brief description of the action, setting, mood, any key elements, and it will create a vivid prompt, and it will create it in JSON. So I pretty much just give it a very basic, and it's going to break it out into JSON, and you can be even more specific. Now you can see how it's spitting it out for me here, the elements. It's got the room, lighting, camera description, motion, ending, text, and keywords. Now the cool thing when you get the instructions like this generated, you can use it over and over again. All right, so let's head back over to VEO3. All right, and here we are. Let's see how it did. All right, guys, and just like that, we are now in the realm of creating very, very professional ads for brands. So yeah, if you want, reach out to us. We'll create some cool ads for your brand. Or if not, I'm going to put the prompt down below in the description. And thank you so much for watching. I got more cool ads coming soon and more tutorials.